Hey creators and coaches, trying to pick the best scheduling tool for your business? Today we're comparing Acuity Scheduling and Calendly to help you decide which one fits your needs. Let's keep it simple and dive in. First, let's look at Acuity Scheduling. This tool is awesome for service-based businesses like coaches who offer packages or in-person sessions. You can create custom booking pages, sell subscriptions, or even accept payments through Stripe, PayPal, or Square. Acuity also lets you add intake forms to gather client info before meetings. Plans start at $20 a month with no free option, but it's great for managing clients and payments all in one place. Now let's talk about Calendly. It's a super easy tool designed to make booking meetings a breeze. You set your available times, share a link, and clients pick a slot that works for them. It connects with Google Calendar, Zoom, and even Microsoft Teams, so your virtual meetings are set up automatically. Calendly's free plan is great for solo users, and paid plan starts at $10 a month for extra features like text reminders. It's perfect for coaches who focus on one-on-one virtual calls and want something quick to set up. So how do they compare? Calendly is simpler and cheaper with a free plan that's great for beginners or coaches doing mostly virtual meetings. It's super user-friendly and integrates well with tools like Zoom. Acuity, on the other hand, is better for coaches who need more features like selling packages, memberships, or handling in-person appointments. It's a bit pricier and has a steeper learning curve, but it's more powerful for complex needs. Which one's better? If you're a solo coach or creator focused on easy virtual bookings, go with Calendly. If you run a coaching business with multiple services, payments, or team members, Acuity is your pick. Thanks for watching. Pick the tool that fits your vibe and start scheduling smarter. Like and subscribe for more videos.